I have a question for you. Do you have to go to IT every time you need a report? Do you have to review 5 reports just to get the information you need? Do you have to export your data to Excel just to analyze it? And by the time you get the data you need, is it too late to make the decisions? Extracting information from the data within your many systems isn't easy, but it's critical for making good business decisions. It's great to have mounds of data, but data is nearly useless if you can't turn it into actionable information. That's why your company needs a business intelligence application to make sense of all the data. A good business intelligence solution is a one-stop shop for assessing results across the firm. Business intelligence tools offer key performance indicators and dashboards with information important to users and real-time information that can be used to gain increased visibility into organizational performance. This intelligence is used to make key decisions about running the organization. All companies need business intelligence, regardless of size or industry, but it's how a company utilizes business intelligence that makes the difference between having information and using information. Business intelligence can offer alerts and data for better decision making. It can be tailored to the user. For example, a CFO may want to know how profits are trending, and a project manager may want to know if projects are on budget. Introducing Deltek Vision Performance Management. With Vision Performance Management, spend more time making decisions and less time sorting through data. Establish and monitor goals that drive the decision-making process. Watch trends, become aware of problems sooner, and predict future outcomes with historical and predictive analysis. Get real-time information and scrutiny so you don't have after-the-fact reactions, which all leads to effective decision-making. The Vision Performance Management module ships with over 40 sample dashboards that are based by roles, such as executives, operations, project managers, business development, resource managers, and finance. So let's take a better look. There are several different types of dashboards we can have. First is what we call a multi-part dashboard. This is where we have multiple dash parts that will interact with each other, and we'll take a look at that in a second. The next type would be just a single dash part, where in this example we're just looking at one piece of information. So let's go back to our executive multi-part dashboard. As we hover over specific parts of the dashboard, it'll present us the details of that graph. If we click a specific part of the dashboard, in this case transportation, notice the rest of the dash parts have updated to just show that information that's relevant to transportation, allowing us to drill into specific pieces of information. Filtering information is very easy. For those that are familiar with tools like Excel pivot tables, we can use the drop-downs and filter information just that we would like to see. In this case, let's go ahead and we're going to look at just 2011 information, and notice that our dashboard has now refreshed to just show that information. We can also drill into specific pieces. So for example, we want to look at these information in quarters. So by clicking, now we can see the information as it shows us quarter by quarter. And again, if we hover over, we can see the details that the dashboard is presenting us. If we need to leverage this information for a presentation, for example, we can save this dashboard as an image or even a PDF. Let's take a look at another example. Here we're looking at opportunity wins and projections. And again, if we hover over specific pieces of the dashboard, we can see the details. I want to look at specific types of opportunities that are of interest to me. If I want to filter, in this case there's specific stages that I want to look at, it's very easy to just select those that are of interest to me. And while I'm currently looking at this for the year, I want to see this broken out by quarter as well. The Vision Performance Management module is intended to serve up organizational performance data in easy-to-read, interactive, visually oriented dashboards that help drive more effective decision-making within your organization. Sample dashboards provide a great starting point for any organization to determine how best to leverage the organizational performance data within Vision Performance Management. In addition, the extremely powerful desktop authoring tool makes it easier than ever to tweak any of the sample dashboards or create your own dashboards to get the information to look exactly how your organization needs. Gain insight into your business like never before. Vision Performance Management gives visibility, control, and insight into organizational performance data to help firms make effective and informed decisions. To learn more about Vision Performance Management, visit us at deltek.com/vision.